In the early days of the automotive industry, production was labor-intensive and time-consuming. Assembly lines were manned by workers who performed repetitive tasks, with each car taking over 12 hours to assemble. But in the late 20th century, a game-changer emerged: artificial intelligence. The first breakthrough came in the 1980s, when car manufacturers began using AI to automate simple tasks. These were the early days of robotics in car manufacturing, and the robots were essentially giant arms that could perform basic functions like welding and painting. They were faster and more accurate than human workers, and they never got tired. By the 90s, AI had become integral to the design process. Computer-aided design software allowed engineers to create 3D models of cars and simulate their performance under different conditions. This was a major leap forward, as it enabled manufacturers to test and refine their designs without having to build physical prototypes. The turn of the millennium saw AI taking on more complex tasks. Robots were now able to assemble entire parts of cars, such as engines and transmissions. They could also perform quality control checks, using sensors to detect flaws that might be missed by the human eye. Today, AI is not just a tool for car manufacturing, it's a driving force. It powers everything from autonomous vehicles to predictive maintenance. With machine learning algorithms, cars can now learn from their experiences on the road and adjust their behavior accordingly. Meanwhile, predictive maintenance systems use AI to monitor the condition of vehicles and predict when they might need repairs. But AI's impact doesn't stop there. It's also transforming the way cars are sold and serviced. Virtual showrooms and chatbots are providing customers with personalized shopping experiences, while AI-driven diagnostic tools are making it easier for mechanics to identify and fix problems. Artificial intelligence has come a long way since its early days in the automotive industry. It has evolved from a tool for automating simple tasks to a driving force behind some of the most exciting developments in car manufacturing. Whether it's designing, building, selling, or servicing cars, AI is making the process faster, more efficient, and more customer-friendly. So the next time you get behind the wheel of a car, take a moment to appreciate the AI technology that made it possible. From the robots that assembled it, to the algorithms that tested it, to the predictive maintenance systems that keep it running smoothly, AI is truly the unsung hero of the automotive world. Continue and keep exploring the fascinating world of AI-driven car manufacturing.